Throughout the world, mountains of refuse must be disposed of daily on waste disposal sites. Disposal site capacity is limited and expensive, so it must be used as effectively as possible. Bomag has taken into account all the demands made on a refuse compactor. The aims are high density, reduction of leachate quantities, access for refuse vehicles, reducing fire risk and reduction of vermin. All of this is reliably achieved by Bomag refuse compactors with their highly efficient spreading and compaction performance. With 6 different models, with operating weights between 29 and 55 tons, Bomag offers the right machine for every size of waste disposal site and all ranges of daily refuse intake. The flexibility of the Bomag refuse compactor for use on refuse sites is shown in the 2-part frame. The closed, torsion-resistant construction is able to withstand the highest loads. The underbelly is smooth and completely enclosed, so nothing sticks, and all components are protected against damage by refuse or other materials. Front and rear frames are connected by an oscillating articulated joint which is designed to withstand the toughest loads experienced during operation on waste sites. This joint allows steering articulation up to 80 degrees and front to rear oscillation up to 30 degrees. It ensures even ground contact of the compactor wheels at all times without stressing the frame. This guarantees excellent drive behavior and high, even levels of compaction. Bomag refuse compactors are driven by powerful water-cooled diesel engines. They correspond to state-of-the-art standards of development in engine technology and comply with all international legislation requirements. Bomag consciously chose hydrostatic drive. Apart from efficient power transfer to the wheels, this construction is robust, simple and clearly arranged. Each wheel has its own hydraulic circuit. The diesel engine is prevented from overloading by the load limit sensing control. This is also partially responsible for the high economic efficiency and long service life. The density of the refuse is directly linked to the capacity and lifetime of a waste disposal site. Bomag polygonal disc wheels crush, knead and compact the refuse and give the machine stability and optimum traction. The wheels remain clean and retain their compaction efficiency as a result of the effective adjustable scrapers. Additional cable cutters prevent wire winding itself around the inside of the wheels. The wheel arrangement is designed so that, depending on the type of material, the surface is completely covered over a width of 5 or 6 meters after 2 track-staggered passes. The Bomag refuse compactor is equipped with a wide dozer blade for high spreading capacity. The robust, torsion-resistant box design of the dozer blade can withstand even the highest loads. Refuse compactors with a loading shovel have proved advantageous on some waste disposal sites. Fitted with a bucket, the machine has universal applications. Apart from compaction and distribution, it can be used for loading and distributing cover material as well as for other loading purposes. This means the refuse compactor is a multifunctional piece of working equipment. The driver's comfort contributes considerably to productivity and has been awarded a great deal of attention by Bomag. In order to reduce vibrations and impact loads, the driver's seat is pneumatically suspended and the cab is elastically supported. All operating controls are within easy reach. This is the sensitive control for operating the blade. Directly behind it is the lever for drive direction and speed range. The electronic joystick steering is easy to operate and individually adjustable to the driver's needs. The speed is regulated with a throttle pedal as in a car. The large windows provide excellent all-round visibility, a contribution to active safety. All Bomag refuse compactors have an extremely low centre of gravity for maximum drive safety under any waste site conditions. A stable rollover protection structure is integrated into the frame construction. The machine corresponds to strict SAE guidelines and fulfills the ROPS and FOPS requirements. Ease of maintenance is an essential requirement for economic efficiency. The service platforms attached on both sides offer the driver a secure standing position during maintenance. After opening the inspection hatches, all checkpoints are directly within reach. The engine's combustion and cooling air intake is placed at the highest point of the machine where the air is cleanest. It's fed to the engine via the shaft ducts of the rollover protection structure. The combustion air filter has a control display in the cab. The filter must be changed at least once a year or when this control light is illuminated. An automatic central lubrication system constantly supplies all lubrication points in the machine. The hydraulic oil is filtered during each circuit by microfilters. This guarantees a long service life for the hydraulic components. At the same time, operating costs are considerably reduced as the oil only has to be changed after 2,000 operating hours. Low operating costs with the best price-performance ratio and high resale value make the Bomag refuse compactor an economical machine. The Bomag refuse compactor range fulfills all requirements set by waste disposal site operators and drivers. Bomag refuse compactors, which have been specifically designed for use on landfill sites, decisively improve profitability. With its wide range of models, Bomag offers the best solution for each size of waste disposal site. Bomag refuse compactors, the best choice on waste disposal sites throughout the world.